The battle for the best Android camera phone is heating up again, and this time it's between the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Both phones promise incredible photos, but they take very different approaches to photography. I spent several days taking hundreds of photos with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, not just for testing, but to answer one big question. Can Samsung finally beat Google's Pixel when it comes to photo quality? For years, the Pixel series has been the benchmark for Android photography. The Pixel 10 Pro XL continues that tradition with Google's powerful computational photography. It relies heavily on software to process images, balance exposure, improve dynamic range, and deliver natural colors. Samsung, on the other hand, focuses on hardware and versatility. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes packed with multiple physical cameras, offering more flexibility in different situations. This year, Samsung made some important changes. The biggest upgrade is a wider aperture on the main camera and the 5x telephoto camera. A wider aperture means more light enters the sensor, which should help with better low light performance and more background blur. However, not everything has improved. The 3x telephoto camera on the Galaxy S26 Ultra remains mostly unchanged, and it still feels like the weakest camera in the setup. That might disappoint some fans, especially since this is Samsung's top flagship. Still, it's worth remembering that many phones don't even include a secondary telephoto lens at all, so Samsung still offers more zoom options than most competitors. Let's start with the main camera. During the day, both phones produce excellent photos. The Galaxy S26 Ultra captures very sharp images with strong contrast and vibrant colors. Samsung's style tends to be bold and eye-catching. Blues look deeper, greens pop more, and the overall image often looks ready to share on social media without editing. The Pixel 10 Pro XL takes a slightly different approach. Its photos look more natural and balanced. Colors are realistic, skin tones are accurate, and highlights are well controlled. Google's image processing does a great job handling tricky lighting situations, especially when there are bright skies and darker shadows in the same shot. In good lighting, the difference really comes down to personal taste. If you like punchy, vivid photos, the Galaxy S26 Ultra may win you over. If you prefer natural tones and balanced exposure, the Pixel 10 Pro XL might feel more consistent. Now let's talk about zoom. This is where Samsung's hardware advantage becomes clear. The Galaxy S26 Ultra's upgraded 5x telephoto camera with a wider aperture delivers detailed zoom shots even from far away. Photos remain sharp and the added light helps improve clarity in lower light conditions. The Pixel 10 Pro XL still performs well with zoom thanks to Google's advanced processing, but when you push the zoom further, Samsung's extra optical hardware gives it an edge. Fine details, especially on distant buildings or objects, tend to look clearer on the Galaxy. However, when using the 3x zoom, the Galaxy's weaker sensor sometimes shows its limits. The Pixel can occasionally match or even slightly outperform it in terms of overall balance and noise control. Moving on to the ultra-wide camera, both phones deliver solid results. The Galaxy S26 Ultra captures wide scenes with strong detail and vibrant colors. The Pixel 10 Pro XL keeps its natural look even with the ultra-wide lens, maintaining consistent color tones compared to its main camera. At night, things get even more interesting. Samsung's wider aperture helps the Galaxy S26 Ultra gather more light, producing brighter night photos with strong detail. The Pixel 10 Pro XL relies on its night sight processing, which remains impressive. It often produces cleaner shadows and more controlled highlights, especially around streetlights and bright signs. So, does the Galaxy S26 Ultra live up to expectations? The answer is yes, but with some conditions. Samsung has clearly improved its main and 5x cameras, making the phone more versatile than ever. It shines in zoom photography and delivers bold, detailed images. The Pixel 10 Pro XL, however, still holds its ground with consistent results, natural colors, and powerful computational photography. In the end, both phones are excellent. If you want maximum zoom flexibility and vibrant photos, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might be your pick. If you value natural tones and smart image processing, the Pixel 10 Pro XL continues to be a top choice. Choosing a winner depends on what kind of photography style you prefer.